Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to connect the Captain 300 headset to PS5. Easy audio setup and pairing guide. So to connect your Captain 300 headset to PS5, the fastest and most reliable method is using the including 2.4 GHz USB wireless dongle. Here is exactly how to set up your headset using the wireless transmitter or the wired backup option. Method 1, wireless connection. So plug in the USB dongle, insert the including USB wireless transmitter into one of the open USB port on the PS5 console. Step 2, power on the headset. Press and hold the power button on the headset until the indicator light turns on. Next, switch to 2.4 GHz mode. If the headset does not connect instantly, make sure it is not stuck in Bluetooth mode. So press and hold the light control button located below the mute button for about 3 seconds to toggle between Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless module. Modes. You will hear a voice prompt confirming the mode. Step 4, confirm pairing. The status indicator lights on the headset will change from blinking to solid, indicating a successful connection. Method 2, wired connection. So locate the audio cable. You can grab the 3.5 mm jack and audio cable that comes in the box. Next, plug into the controller. So connect one end of the cable into a 3.5 mm audio port at the bottom of the DualSense PS5 controller. The step 3, plug into the headset. So connect the other end into the audio line input on the headset. Note the headset does not need to be powered on the stream. Audio over a wired connection. Now adjusting PS5 audio settings. Once connected, verify your console settings to ensure sound and microphone levels are active. So go to the settings, the gear icon on the PS5 home screen and select sound and click on audio output. Then change the output device to the USB settings and now select microphone and ensure the input device is also set to your wireless headset. Goodbye and thanks for watching.